Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the colorful and fascinating world of tulips, one of the most beloved flowers in the world. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just someone who appreciates a splash of color, there's something intriguing about the history of these vibrant blossoms. Let's start at the very beginning. Tulips originally grew wild in the valleys of the Tian Shan Mountains, which are located in Central Asia. It's believed that they first started being cultivated as early as the 10th century. Imagine that these flowers have been gracing gardens and homes for over 1,000 years. Now, fast forward to the 16th century when tulips made their way to Europe. This was thanks to the ambassador from the Ottoman Empire to the court of Ferdinand I. They called it tulipan, which means turban in Turkish, inspired by the flower's turban-like appearance. And that's how tulips began their journey into the heart of Europe. But here's where it gets really interesting. In the 17th century, tulips triggered what's known as Tulip Mania in the Netherlands. Tulips became so incredibly popular that their prices soared. They were literally worth their weight in gold. At the peak of Tulip Mania, some bulbs were being traded for an entire estate. Can you believe that? It was the first recorded speculative bubble in history. However, as all bubbles do, it burst. But the love for tulips didn't fade. The Dutch continued to cultivate them, and they became an integral part of Dutch identity. Today, the Netherlands is the largest producer of tulip bulbs, exporting billions around the globe each year. So, what makes tulips so special? It's not just their beauty. Tulips can adapt to a wide range of climates and soil types, making them a favorite among gardeners everywhere. Each year, new varieties are developed, ensuring that tulip lovers always have new colors and shapes to admire. So, next time you plant a tulip or admire one in a garden, remember, you're participating in a centuries-old tradition that spans continents and cultures. It's a small act, but it connects you to a rich and colorful history. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating stories from the world of nature. See you in the next video.